Proposal for strategic collaboration with Best Remote Workers. Dear client, as a US-based business owner specializing in outsourcing services, you are likely aware of the value that skilled, cost-effective talent from India can bring to your operations. At Best Remote Workers, we understand the unique demands of the US market and offer a seamless solution to help you scale and enhance your outsourcing offerings. Our team of highly skilled professionals from India can support a wide range of roles, including customer service, virtual assistants, IT support, digital marketing, content creation, administrative tasks, and more. We provide you with direct access to these top-tier talents, allowing you to cut out the middleman and streamline communication. What sets Best Remote Workers apart is our dedication to providing flexible, affordable, and quality-driven outsourcing solutions for businesses like yours. By working with us, you gain the following benefits: access to a diverse talent pool, skilled professionals across multiple industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, and marketing. Cost-effective solutions: we help you scale your business efficiently by providing high-quality services at competitive rates. Direct communication with employees, no intermediaries, work directly with our team, ensuring clear communication and greater flexibility. Scalability: easily scale your workforce up or down to meet the changing needs of your business. We believe a partnership with Best Remote Workers will help you provide even greater value to your clients while saving costs and improving efficiency. Please feel free to reach out to us directly at www.bestremoteworkers.com or email us at customer@bestremoteworkers.com to discuss how we can collaborate further. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you and help your business grow.